Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically save the old item of the week so that you can still wear it. You can only unfortunately do this on Freeplay though. So just select the old item of the week item, and then you're just going to create like a really cute outfit with it. I'm just going to remove these to like show you guys for a bit here. You're just going to go in one of the changing rooms and you're just going to save it here. So select this and then name it maybe like granny dress so that you can wear it later on in the week. As you can see, I still have this Sabrina Carpenter dress. Hopefully they don't patch it, but select it, and when I wear it, ta-da, I still have that cute dress. Super cool. I just basically save outfits with the old item of the week. I really do hope they bring everything back to Dress to Impress. I know they're just testing with the like lags and stuff, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!